Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here a Can-Am Outlander 850 and I'm going to be changing the diff oils and the transmission oil. So let's get to it. This procedure will be the same for the 570, 650, 850, and 1000. For this job I'm going to need 90 weight gear oil for the front diff and 140 weight gear oil for the gearbox and rear diff. I'll need a 10 mil, some tools to remove the plastic plugs, a 6 mil Allen key, a 5 mil Allen key, and a ratchet. I'll include a link to some of my favorite tools and the supplies I use in the description below. The first thing I'm going to do is drain the rear diff. It is a 5 mil Allen key drain plug located on the left side of the diff. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Right there. Look at that. Gray and gross looking. I'm just going to let that drain for a while. While the rear diff is draining, I'm going to go ahead and drain the front diff as well. It is located on the bottom side of the vehicle in this hole right here, and it is a 5 mil plug as well. Oh, definitely time for a change. Well, I let the diff drain. I'm going to remove the mud guard here so I can drain the transmission next. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's drain the transmission. Even with the panel out of place, this is kind of ridiculous. The drain bolt is located right there. As you can see, I got a universal on there. Let's remove that. Looks nice and gray too. Time for a change. While the transmission drains, I'm going to reinstall the drain plugs into the differentials. Then I'm going to fill the diff through this plug here. I'm going to make sure the oil level is even with the bottom of the hole. To fill the rear diff, the check and fill plug is located right here on the left side of the diff. It is the same procedure as the front diff. Now that the diffs are done, I'm going to clean off the drain bolt for the transmission and reinstall it as well. The oil fill and check for the transmission is located right there. Once your transmission oil is full, go ahead and reinstall your panels. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my transmission and differential oil change on the Can-Am Outlander. Ride safe.